Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I am Dr. EM Platform. So if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscription button and please click on the bell icon, and I would like you to check out my videos that I have made. So let's dive into our topic today and what we are going to do today. So we are going to be designing this website using AI. I built this website using AI, complete AI, no coding, just AI. So if you are new to web developing, don't know where to start from developing your own website, this is the best video for you, because I'll be teaching you how to make this video, not using any of these templates. I'm not going to take any template. I am just naturally going to use AI to make the website. I'm going to select the best template, how I want to build it, and write up the things I need for it. So sit back and let's build this website. Thank you. I use hosting for my hosting most of the times when I want to build mostly WordPress website, or because it's very good for hosting a good WordPress website, and it's very good and it's sold at $2.9. So you can use the link below. Then if you want to build a bigger or a heavier website like PHP and all the rest, you can use my enter server. That is the best, and it's sold at 2 point something, 2.5 for a month, and $15 for 6 months. So you can check the link below. Thank you. Then we shall move into getting our host. We have gotten our host, so we shall move ahead by locating our WordPress manager so that we can start. Now I'm using inter-server hosting for this project. So, but you can use any other. You can use Hostinger or you can use inter-server, but I prefer inter-server and Hostinger. So now we are going to be importing our WordPress, which is the first thing we are going to be doing. Remember, this website is going to be built by AI using WordPress. So if you don't know how to install WordPress, or you don't know how to uh, then use your WordPress, or you don't know how to use WordPress on a hosting or a cPanel, then this video is for you. You have to sit back and watch closely how I'm going to be installing this WordPress. Um, I am going to be creating a directory, because I am not going to be installing this WordPress on the same on the home directory. So I'll be creating a directory which is a new AI. So I'll be creating my admin and my admin password. Installing WordPress is one of the most easiest thing to do when you want to create a website, because it doesn't give you problem if you're using a good host. That is why I recommend using Hostinger or Enter Server. So don't forget to click on the subscription button, and please don't forget to share to your friends. So I put the email which I want the details to be sent to. So I'll wait for it to install. I'll wait for it to install. Then so the WordPress is installed successfully. You will get a message on if your WordPress has been installed. So we'll click on the admin link. Click on the admin link. The admin link is open now. This is how the home page will be. This is the home page that I have not done anything on. Then if I start working on it now, I'm going to be using an AI from scratch. Everything is going to be from scratch. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to tell AI what AI is going to build for me. So this is the admin. This is the WP admin. So check it out. Then you know that this is WP admin. You can start your work here, import your theme for those working with their own team, import your plugin, So I am going to be removing some of the things which I don't want in this WP admin, because I don't want to use the already made things inside the WP. I'm going to be removing some of the pages. I'm going to be removing some of the pages. So don't forget to click on the subscription button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we post interesting and educative videos like this. So the first thing we are going to be doing now is removing the pages that I don't want. I don't need all these pages. They are CARICOM. They came with they came with the admin when building the WP, when installing the WP. So I'm not going to be needing them. So I'm going to be deleting it, and the ones I'm going to be importing from the AI, I'm going to be using those ones. So like you too, I'll encourage you to delete them because you're not going to be needing them. So then for the plugins that I don't need, I am also going to be removing them. Then first of all, let's go to the theme. Let's check the themes out. So we can start our installation and we can start our work using AI. So this is the plugins that I don't need. I will remove them first before I will go into main of the work, because I don't need them. So this is going to cause a lot of weight on my file. So if you don't need any plugin, I will urge you to delete them immediately. Remove them from your directory so they won't remain there. So I'm deleting them now. Then I'm done deleting them. I will go over to my appearance. I will go over to the appearances and import a new theme. I'll be using Astra for this work. I'll be using Astra. So I also have my Astra Pro. I have the Astra Pro, but I'm not going to be using it here, but I'm going to be using Astra for this work. So you can check out the description link below to download the Astra Pro for your own work. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is installing our theme. This is the next thing we are going to be doing now. So please, I have a website. So I have installed the Astra. So look at this feature. Astra came with build your dream site in minutes with AI. So I'm going to be building this using AI. No theme, no coding, just install your WordPress, go straight to building your site with your AI and get your site done. So let's dive into it. Let's dive into it now. We are going to be building this. They said, let's say goodbye to time wasted and all the rest of it. So if this is your first time of realizing that you can use AI to build a WordPress website, then this is what you need to know, and this is all you need to do. So let's dive into it now. Let's dive into it now. So this is where we start our AI website building now. So this is where the work starts from. All we need to do is select AI website builder. This is the first step you are going to be taking. Select AI website builder, and this is the simplest way to build your website for your client, for yourself, for your business, and for anything. This is the best way. So what we are going to be doing now is we are not going to be using classic starter template. You know, there is a difference between starter template and AI builder. This classic starter template is a template already built by Astra. If you are using starter themes, you should know about starter templates. So what you should do is, just if you want to build with classic starter templates, you just click on the classic starter templates, then build with that one. But we are not going to be using that. We are going to be using our AI website builder to build our own now. Yeah, we are going to be using this zip WP for building this AI website. So we're going to be using zip WE. If you don't have, I'm done creating an account with zip WP. If you don't have zip WP, you can, when you're creating it, there is a place that you will have to create a zip WP account so that you can register. So we are going to be putting up what we want, like the name of the website, um, the the purpose of the website and what we're using the website for. So I'm going to be building this thing, an e-commerce website with my AI. So I'm going to be naming it King Supermarket. So I will identify, or I will mm, name the specificity of my website. So it's for mainly for supermarket. So I'm going to be using it now. I'm going to be writing supermarket and wait for it to bring it out. So I'll be asked to describe the supermarket or the e-commercial website or my website in few words. So this is where the main work comes in. This is where you have to bring out the description of your website. Now I am going to be using an AI also to write the description of my website. So I'm going to be asking the same AI to write or to give me a description about King's Supermarket. So I don't have strength to start writing one word by word. So all I just have to do is click on write with AI, and boom, it gives me everything I see is done. I don't need to write much again. So I click on the next. So the AI will start building my website for me. So sit tight and wait for it. So you will be asked about your location. You can use any location of your choice. You can put your location where your website is located, how people can get in touch with you. So we are I'm including the number and my email. So when I'm done creating the website, this will be what will appear in my homepage. So I've added the mail, the number, and I'm going to be clicking on next. So in the next place, I'll have to select the pictures I want. So this will be the next. They'll ask you to select images you will need. So I'm going to select mostly grocery images that will be used to build my website. So any image you select here will be used to build your website. You can also select from your local file. You can also select the local file place, import images, and it will come immediately to you. So I'm going to be using the images that is brought out for by AI. So I'm going to be searching my own images, and I'm going to be any image you need for your work, the AI can provide it for you. So like I said, this is the easiest way to build your website. You can build e-commercial website, your store, and you can import Woocommerce to use it on it. Plus, so these are the images I need for now. So I'll also select more that I need from here. I'll also select more so I have a lot of images, because it's going to create a lot of pages for you. It's going to be creating an about us file, a contact us file, services file, and it's also going to be creating a lot of images in your home page. So I'm going to be selecting the design I want. So I'll wait for the designs to load. So this is where you need the structuring of your website, how you want your website to look like, how you want it to look like. So they are bringing a lot of they are going to bring a lot of designs for me to select. So I will select the best one I think is good for me. So if you know the pattern of websites you are creating, if you know the type of websites you are creating for your client or for your customer, so you know how to select the design so that it will suit the preference. So I'll wait for the designs to load. So this the designs. These are the designs, these are the structure. This is mainly like structure. So I'm looking out at for the one I'm going to be using. So you can check out all the templates. Anyone that suits you can use it. So I'll have to scroll down and check out more that I'll be needing. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is being created by an AI. So I'll be waiting for them. I'll check out all of them. Don't forget you can edit. This AI builder comes with its own editor. You can also use Elementor, and you can also use like anyone you want. You can also use Elementor. You can use WP Bakery, but I am not going to be using Elementor nor WP Bakery. I'm going to be using normal editor. So I'm going to be choosing the one I want from the designs. I think I like this. I think I like this design, but let me check out for more. Okay, I've seen the one we are going to be using. This is nice too. So we're going to be using that. We're going to be using this. This is nice. I like it. I like the way the picture is. You can also change the picture after editing. You can also change the fonts, the color, and the header. You can change that one in the editing. So this is the colors. I don't like this color. I don't like this color. This color is not good. I think I should go back to the original color it came with. Yes, that will be fine. Go back to the original color it came with. Yes, this. So we're going to be using this color originally for the video. So I have to move to the next. If you have a logo, you can also add it there. But I don't have a logo now, so I'll select the features I want for the website. So they have already selected some for me. They will select a commercial website and contact form. Okay, we need this to automation interference integration. We need that one too. So this is all we need. Even a video player. I also want a video player. If you want a donation box, you can select the donation on. So we'll wait for it to build. So it's going to take for 5, let me say 2 minutes or 3 minutes highest to build this website. So we're going to be waiting for it to build. So whoa, your website is ready. This is the message you get once you are done building your website with Woocommerce. Now all you have to do is change the write-ups in the website, then add your logo if you have gotten one, then that is it. This is the showing you how your write-ups will be. Then I never wanted to use an AI to write this, so I left it like this. So you can add up the things you want for yourself. The structure of the website is beautiful and is responsive. So this is how the website came out. This is how beautiful and how nice your e-commerce website is built with AI.